Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. So in this video, we'll cover steps 1 and 2 of keeping track of the user's email address and also creating a new order history class. Okay, so let's go ahead and move into our login status component. All right, so we're in login status component.ts. I'll move down here and I'll add an entry for the browser storage. So this gives us a reference to the web browser session storage. Now let's move down to this get user details method. So once the user's authenticated, then we can get some data from the actual authentication response, in particular the email address. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so now that we have the email address, let's go ahead and store the email in the browser storage. So I make use of storage.setItem. I give the key, user email, and then the values are a stringified version of the email. So that's the new coding here that we added to kind of keep track of the user's email address. We'll make use of this in some other Angular components to retrieve it at a later time, but at least now we have that person's email. In step 2, we're going to create the order history class. So I'll just open up a new terminal window here and I make use of the Angular CLI for ng generate class common/order history. All right, so let's zoom in here and let's add some fields for this order history. So we'll keep track of the ID, the order tracking number, the total price, the total quantity, and also the date. Alrighty, so this looks pretty good. So we can use this information when we display the list of orders.